Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, CD player, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.